All right, so this is 12 midnight on the 11th of November, and I'm at the location where Nation Wike demolished. This is the condition of the people currently. See where they are sleeping outside in the cold. Come closer. That's it. Hold on. See them sleeping outside in the cold. Come to these guys. So we still go around so that we'll go to where the children are. Come. We still have to go around. See this one? It still goes down. No, let me take you to where the kids are. Let me see where the children are. Just come. See, this is the current situation of things. Make sure you get in. See, look at the elderly. That's the elderly. See? So let's go to where the children are. Look at their property. Oh, look at the kids. See that one. In the cold. See them. See kids in the cold. Mosquito will bite. So what if these children fall sick now? Medicine is no longer cheap. Where you say, okay, you go buy cheap drugs. Medicine, they're very expensive. Do you understand? So move on. Okay. See where people are sleeping. See children. See kids. Come on, let's see. Come here. You are welcome. See for the guy. See, Charles. See this one. You are a little baby. You are a little baby. This is just, see, come. See? Okay, go close. See mother, see children in the cold. Children in the cold. No shelter. Nothing.
Look at small baby.
She's look at small baby.
Sucking breast.
Sorry. So over.
There are many. Go down there.
So this is just a very humble appeal to the Honourable Minister of FCT and also President Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Please, Wike, please, if you want to demolish a place, look for a way to relocate the people, or better still, try to compensate the people. You cannot demolish this place and just leave these people stranded like this. Where do you expect them to go to? In this hardship, in this economy where everybody is living from hand to mouth, and see the condition you are putting children. See people, see children inside the cold. No shelter, nothing. Mosquito will hit them, nothing.
No mosquito.
Let's not even talk about the dirty environments, the cholera, the disease that they can pick up. Please, we are appealing to you. Nation Wike, that you should do something about it. Please, Nation Wike, do something about this. Relocate these people, or better still, compensate them and send them back to their homes or wherever they are coming from. Please, please, we beg you. Please, thank you very much. Please.
From Maiduguri,
Okay.
some from Zamfara, Sokoto, Katsina, close to us, Kaduna here. And the Niger State very close to FCT.
Yes.
But they meet us here to save their life. We believe that Wike can save our life under the God ruling. We believe that Wike is not a wicked person. We believe that our Excellency President is a person when he's looking the future of children, that they are inviting even foreigners to come and help people with the net and the cholera something, medicine and the other things concerning the health. But let them look the condition where is some of our leaders before they push us in this condition. In the FCT, Federal